Hello there, it's Dina Marie here, and I would like to tell you in this video about the free 5-day Abundance Mindset Activation Challenge. I'll be doing this on Facebook, but if you join, you'll get an email about it. It's a free abundance challenge to activate more abundance into your business and life. Now, I always say that if something isn't working quite well in your business, then the first rule is the first place to look at is your mindset. That's rule number one. And rule number two is to look at rule number one. So mostly when things are not working in our life and in our business, it's about what we think and feel about it and how we then respond to it. So it's all about our energy. Now, to create more abundance in your life, you first have to create abundance on the inside for more abundance to show up on the outside. So in this challenge, I'll be sharing with you so that you understand why you're not enjoying more abundance now and what to do about it. Plus, I will give you the structure and the recipe on how to cultivate an abundance mindset. And you will also get practices to implement immediately to set you up for more abundance. Now, at the moment, we are running a contest to share the challenge to as many entrepreneurs, coaches, healers, authors, as much as possible. And the contest winner will win a free seat on my Abundance Mindset Mastery program that will happen after the challenge. So, the link to join the challenge is bit.ly/Abundance Mindset Challenge. Join the challenge and then you will get your unique link to share the challenge to your friends if you like to do that. And anyway, join the challenge. It will definitely allow more abundance into your business and your life. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there.